Authenticating your domain in MailerLite ensures your emails are delivered to inboxes and not marked as spam. Here's how to set it up. Access domain authentication settings. Log into your MailerLite account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings and then click on Domain Authentication under the Email Settings section. Add your domain. In the Domain Authentication section, click Add Domain. Enter your domain name and click Add. Update DNS records. MailerLite will generate DNS records for SPF and DKIM. Log into your domain hosting provider. Go to your DNS settings and add the provided SPF and DKIM records. SPF helps ensure only authorized senders can send emails from your domain. DKIM adds a signature to verify the authenticity of your emails. Verify the domain. After adding the records, return to MailerLite and click Verify. Domain authentication can take up to 24 hours to take effect. Once verified, your domain will be authenticated.